But I'm heading to go towards my camp now. Little walkway that goes somewhere. I think my camp's like further up that way, but wonder where this goes. It's 2:20 in the afternoon too, you wouldn't think so. Feels so much later. No idea where that goes. Battery's running low, so I thought I'd head back to camp anyway. Oh, this is a campsite. I think this is Stonebrook campsite. Yeah, must be. Well, it's fairly big. Don't know if you can get your vehicle in though. You're like a creek bed that winds through here as well. I'll keep exploring. I think most of the campgrounds in this area are suited to tents and swags. Oh wow. That tree is huge. Whoa. Don't know if the camera does it justice, but that is huge. Wow. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it is Stonesbrook. And just up there is my campsite. This worked out pretty well. Anyway, what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to do a bit of R&R, I think. Have a cup of tea or something. Do a bit of reading. Maybe by that time it'll be time for dinner. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Rightio guys, it's been a while. Went back to the day use area, went for a bit of a walk again, done a bit of filming. Hopefully you've seen that footage. Yeah, come back and dinner. Again, burgers. Something simple, bacon, egg, beef, bit of salad, or leaf mix. But yeah, so far so good. It's weird, it's been so still all day, yet it's also starting to cool down now too. I've noticed it, like, I think it's close to 6 o'clock now, it's nearly 6. No, sorry, I lie. It's just after 5. It's just after 5. I just realised too, it's starting to get darker earlier now, because, you know, autumn, winter. It's been different, it's been quite an eventful day otherwise. Like, I feel as though, like, yeah, went for a little walk. I wish I could do a bit more filming around the day use area and around the camping area, but this place is pretty much packed out, I guess. But it's not too bad. One thing I must note straight away is no mosquitoes and no flies. Not one, nothing at all. I think I had one midgie earlier, and it made me wonder, like, oh, the midgie's coming out, but nothing since. Even walking around amongst the trees and that, it's good. I think the cooler weather gets rid of the flies and that. So that's most welcoming. But yeah, you can hear it now. I'll just go quiet for a bit. Listen to this. It's just crazy. It's just the birds. I have no idea what that is. It sounds like the red tail. And there's parrots as well. Absolutely love it out here. If you haven't been to Honeymoon Pool, yeah, so at this point I recommend it. And I like 20 because, well, 19 is pretty much behind the camera there. But there's no one next to me, like back towards that way. There's somebody directly over there and that's it. And they're quiet. It's so good. Anyway, I'm failing at this again. I'm talking to you guys after I've made my dinner. So I'm going to eat my dinner and I guess I'll talk to you guys afterwards. And I'm going to light a fire soon too. Got me wood and all that out. So here's to hopefully being able to light a fire. It's been a very long time. I think I've done a fire all right. I've only got these big bits down here. I've only got these 4 big bits and that one in there. So if they don't take hold, I've got no kindling. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to have a fire or be allowed to have a fire out here. So if I knew that, I would have bought a bag of kindling and all the other stuff. So hopefully this bit of wood takes hold. Got some visited ducks. Nothing beats a bacon egg breakfast. Isn't that crackling away? As you can see though, I've packed up most of camp. Got to say good morning to you guys. Good morning, you guys. Been a weird night, but we'll talk about that in a minute. I'm going to sort out my breakfast. Just thought I'd quickly turn the camera on because the ducks came to visit, but they're gone now. They came in pretty much to check on. Maybe they're the ranger ducks. Anyway, I'll continue my breakfast and I'll talk to you guys soon. Rightio, guys. I have obviously left camp. I passed this lookout on the way here, and I thought I definitely want to stop here on the way out. This is a Ferguson Valley lookout. How beautiful is that? Bit disappointing because it's overcast and grey, so on a nice sunny day, this would be absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this. Absolutely amazing. So, my thoughts on the camp. I was pretty happy with Honeymoon Pool. It was quite peaceful. Like, despite the amount of people there, the noise wasn't that bad. And me being Bay 20 was further along. I like the shade. It got a bit cold. Like last night it was very cold. But my sleeping bag, all I had was my King's branded sleeping bag. And it was perfect. I didn't get cold at all in the swag, but if I had my arm out or anything like that, you could feel the cold. But last night was so still. There was not a breath of wind. And once you get past a certain time at night, the birds all go quiet. And yeah, it was complete silence for most of the night. And as usual, I kept tossing and turning. I don't know what was going on. I was comfortable, but I just kept waking up, tossing and turning. It was so good having the fire though too. I was able to, I stayed up to about 9 o'clock, I think it was. But because like I said, I had some wood that somebody had left for me, so that pretty much all burnt out. So I thought, I'll go to bed now. And being after 9 o'clock, that was pretty good. But other than that, comfortable. Yeah, I kept tossing and turning, but I think I'm just starting to get used to that now. I don't know why it happens, but it does. But I didn't wake up, because now that it's autumn/winter, I got up in the morning about 6:30, I think I stirred. I heard other people stirring as well. But yeah, because of the autumn/winter time, it gets lighter later. So I end up getting up around 6:30, dawdled around, my usual, made a coffee, and I just started putting stuff away, as I do. Made a bit of breakfast. Yeah, overall, the camp was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I would probably go back there again. I should have sussed out more campsites, like instead of 20. I had a general look, but it's kind of hard to suss out a campsite when there's people in it. But I probably would go back again. But yeah, this area is beautiful. It's just a pity that it's kind of ruined by the overcast. There's rolling hills. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? And of course, subscribe if you guys enjoy these videos and want to see more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next adventure.